So over here, you can see that I got a store right here in my Strikingly page. And then I can access out my products right here. But on the menu, the store is not mentioned, as you can see, just like this. But if I want to actually go ahead and display out the store product category on the main site menu itself, I can easily do that by going into the Strikingly editor right here. And then what I can do now is go ahead on to, let's say, for example, the products page right here. And then over here on the left hand side, what I can do now is go to product categories and then choose display category menu in navigation. So you can see that this is what you have, and you can choose a location on where you want to display it. So aside, right besides home, or maybe right after the courses right here. So you can go ahead and choose a location right here for the menu that appears. So let me just go ahead and publish this out right here. Just like this. And as I do that and refresh out my page now, what you see is the products right here along with the categories right here, like online courses, skill building, and so forth. So let's just go around over here, and then you get to the particular product right here right from your menu. Click on all categories, and this is what you have. So apart from where your products is, like let's say for example in my case it's in the home page, if you were to go around over here, you can see that it displays out separately right here as well. So that is basically how you can display out the store product category in the site menu inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.